To use the curved needle to close a seam, you are going to tie a knot on the end of your thread opposite of the curved needle. You will thread the needle through one of the holes in the stitching and pull through until that knot stops the thread from coming all the way out. Then you will take the curved needle and follow the holes in a crisscross pattern across the row of stitching until the area of vinyl begins to close. You will repeat this process all the way down until you have reached the other end of the opened area of vinyl. Then, once you've reached the end, you will close the stitch by threading through the hole, wrapping the thread around the needle several times and pulling through. And you can repeat this process several times until you've ensured there is a secure knot on the end. And then by the time you're done, it should look like there was no broken stitching to begin with.